provide you with up-to-date market reviews and analysis and long-term setups from a swing bias and then higher time frame biases for trading the week. My name is Adetola-Freeman, and I'm a professional Forex trader and trainer. And if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you would get notified whenever I release a new video or whenever any of my forecasts drop. And I look forward to so much to delivering so much value on this platform for as many of you as choose to subscribe and follow me through this journey. So let's get right into what I have for you right now. Right now we're going to look at a chart of Euro card. Let's see what Euro card has in store for this week. I don't know if I have done that already. Okay, good. So apparently I'm not worked on Euro card yet. Oh, okay, I have. Okay, I have. So this is my bias on Euro card. Let's do UsdJpy. Let's do dollar Japanese yen. Okay, beautiful. So this is UsdJpy on the daily time frame. And on the overall, we are already looking quite bullish. We're looking quite bullish on the overall on the daily time frame. So currently price is reacting from this order block on the daily time frame. Let's see what's going on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on the 4 hours, I think we actually might have some really interesting setup. At least for the short term, this is something that is already looking really impressive. So as we can see, we have an imbalance move that has taken out this previous low, this previous high. All right, we also have this previous high being being equaled. So we might get to see a move that shoots higher. All right, I'll get to see a move that shoots higher. All right, and then returns right back down to this point. Okay, before we have all of this push right back up. So for me, this is an area where I would be definitely putting my money on. And then when price gets into that POI, it will be easier to go to the lower time frames and quickly refine my entry so that I have a solid bias for taking that trade. As you can see on the 15 minutes, we already had this eye been taken out, this eye taken out, this eye taken out. All right, by a single imbalance move. So right now, I'll be looking to see price drop into this block, all right, into this zone, and maybe most likely react from either this other block or this other one right down here, which is why my stop loss is really this tight. okay, which is why my stop loss is really that tight. And this would be for a smooth 1:8 risk to reward. All right, this would be for a smooth 1:8 risk to reward. So this is basically how I love to trade. All right, we can have as much as 1:9, or peradventure, if I wanted to target this other block as my final target, that would be 1:13 risk to reward. All right, so let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So this is my setup. This is my overview on UsdJpy, because I'm hoping that price comes back into that zone. All right, retests either this trend line here. All right, just either this trend line here, okay, and begins to go back downwards, or it has to come back all the way up here. All right, either all the way up there or somewhere around here at least. All right, so price comes back into that zone, okay, and then we have our massive drop all the way right back to, back to the base from where we started. So price could we could see price potentially dip a whole lot lower than where we are right now. Okay, could see price dip a whole lot lower from this block, possibly all the way down here. All right, I'm just speaking hypothetically. It's a possibility. All right, it's actually something that we can really get to see in the market in the coming days, or in the coming days. Okay, because as you can see, we've had all of these lows taken out. We've had this low taken out. Okay, we've had this low also taken out. All right, so we've had quite a number of lows taken out by this single imbalance move. So when it retests this other block and we have a rejection, then the move downwards will be so much more swifter than the push for this push that caused this initial imbalance. All right, so please, if you have any comments, if you have any questions, if you have any queries, or maybe you are seeing something different, you have any contributions to everything that you're seeing here right now, please do drop your comments in the chat box. Let me know what you see. Let's be able to reason together and then arrive at a conclusion. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I will do my best to attend to as many inquiries as I can attend to. So this is for UsdJpy. Once again, my name is Adetola-Freeman. Thank you for your time so far. Thank you for being here. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Also click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos. And please do well to check the rest of my biases and analysis for the week. Until when next we see, or till when next you hear from me, I wish you an amazing trading week. Thank you, and God bless you.